In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup. Whether you've just purchased a new device or are restoring after resetting to factory settings, these easy steps will have your iPhone back to normal in no time. First and foremost, let's prepare your phone by erasing all existing content and settings. This is like wiping the slate clean to ensure no old data interferes with the fresh backup you're about to restore. Head over to your iPhone settings. Once there, tap on General and then scroll all the way down to select Transfer or Reset iPhone. In this menu, choose Erase all content and settings. This action will completely erase your device, so make sure you've backed up anything important beforehand. Once your iPhone has rebooted, it's time to start the initial setup. Power your device back on and you will be guided through some basic steps, like setting your language and connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Continue following these prompts until you reach the Apps and Data screen. This part is critical because it's where our restoration journey really begins. Now, on the Apps and Data screen, select Restore from iCloud Backup. This option is perfect for bringing back all your apps, photos, and settings. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID, so make sure you have that information handy. This step ensures that the iCloud account you're accessing is indeed yours, and it's a crucial security measure. Once you're signed in, it's time to select the specific backup you want to restore from. You'll see a list of your available backups. Typically, you'd want to choose the latest one to ensure you recover your most recent data. However, if there's a particular reason you might want an older backup, like specific data or settings, feel free to select a different date from the list shown. With the backup selected, all that's left is to wait for the magic to happen. During this stage, your iPhone will begin to download your apps and data. Make sure your device stays connected to Wi-Fi and keep it plugged into a power source. This will make sure the process isn't interrupted, as restoring can take some time depending on how much data needs to be downloaded. Once the process is complete, your apps and data will start showing up on your device just like they were before. You might notice that some apps take a little longer to download than others, but rest assured they'll all return. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup. Whether you're transitioning to a new device or simply fixing an issue with your current one, you're all set to enjoy your restored iPhone experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.